In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method to your Shopify store. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login and sign into your store so you land in the Shopify admin. From here, look toward the lower left corner of the page and click settings. This takes you to the area where most store-wide controls live. Next, choose payments. This is where you manage how customers pay at checkout. Click add payment method. A search bar will appear to help you find the exact option you want. Type the name of your preferred payment method. This could be a digital wallet, a local payment option, or another provider you already use. When it appears in the results, click it to move forward. You'll now see a list of providers that offer that payment method. Shopify connects to many third-party providers, and availability can vary by your business location and currency. Pick the provider that best fits your region, fees, and the features you need. If you're not sure, look for the one that specifically mentions your market and supports your store's currency. Click Install. You may be asked to confirm that you want to add this provider to your store. If so, click Install again. This permission allows the provider to integrate with your checkout securely so your customers can use that payment option. If you haven't finished setting up your account with the provider yet, click Manage Account. This will open the provider's onboarding or account portal, often in a new tab. Here, enter your email, then enter your password, and log into your account so it can connect to Shopify. If you don't have an account yet, many providers allow you to create one on the same page. Make sure the details you use match your business information and keep your login credentials secure. Once you're logged in and any required details are confirmed, the connection completes and your chosen payment method is added to your Shopify store. If it doesn't appear right away in the payments section, give it a moment and refresh the page. From here, customers will see the new option at checkout when it's supported for their location and currency. That's it. You went to Shopify, accessed settings, opened payments, chose and installed a provider for your preferred payment method, and if needed, signed in through Manage Account to finish linking it. This straightforward process helps you offer more ways for customers to pay, which can boost conversion and make checkout smoother.